Hi, adventurers! Today we're going to the Haunted Sloss Museum. What the heck was that? Anyways, like and subscribe and ring that notification bell. Thank you! Love you. Started out nice. And then things started to get creepy. It kept getting creepy. I heard ghost noises, and I realized ghost was all around me.
Wait, Isaiah. Come here. Look in here. I'm not taking no picture. Okay, they said this is where the chute tunnel is gonna be at. And we get to see down and see the cars.
Do I have to go down here?
No, what did it say?
Water. Not hitting.
It says, watch your head.
Watch your head.
Hey, let's go over here first.
Yeah. So I don't know if it was
Alright. Oh, this is the chute, baby. This is the chute. Do you see a car down there? This is where they brought the stuff up. They brought it up the chute. No, we gotta go downstairs. It says, watch your step and mind your head.
Watch your head down here.
They see you.
No. Whoa.
Yeah, be careful going down here. We're gonna see the car where they used to pull up the chutes on.
Watch your head.
I'm gonna watch my head.
Oh, there's water down here.
Don't
And I hate water.
What is this? Oh, look at that, Isaiah.
Yeah,
So that's the car. That's the car they will put this stuff on. And then they'll go down that way. You see the tunnel? Can you walk down? Walk over so we can get the tunnel. What, let me-
I'm not gonna walk down.
I'm gonna walk over.
No, there's water.
Ooh, look at that.
We can't go there.
And then they'll bring the stuff up this chute right here. It's the chute. It says 250 yards long. Ooh, I'm about to hit my head. Woo! Mama made it. All right, wait, that's not the way you go. We gotta go around. Yeah, we gotta go in here. Let me go out to see her. Jipjip Adventures. We're about to go up the stairs into the doghouse. That's what Sarah. Keep walking. So this is what was new age energy and technology in the 19th century. This is the oldest building. Wait, Isaiah, walk around this side too so you can get the whole length of this blowing machine. This way. All right. Come on, baby, we gotta finish looking. Oh, Jip got scared in his adventure. Ooh. This is how they used to work. It's cutting edge technology. So they'll push the car this way. Keep going.
Cut wires.
You got cut wires? I think that was a mistake, boo. But they'll bring it over here. So they'll bring it all the way over here, Isaiah. And then they'll put it on this little thing, railroad track. Then they push it up there. And then you see where them cars at right there?
Hi adventurers, thank you for watching my video. Make sure to like and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. 911, what's your emergency?